Fourth quarter po tayo at 63-49. 14 yung puntos na kalamangan nitong Valientes. The tying arc floater, miss shot. Takbo Alin Bulanadi. Over the head pass to Rudy Linganay. Tapik nitong San Beda, out of bounds.
Medyo na hihirapan dito yung San Beda Red Lions kasi every time na may nagagawa silang mini run or magaganda ang mga shots, always at palagi may sagot agad itong Zamboanga Valientes Minsan hindi lang sagot, may pabaon pa.
May pabaon pa mga fouls no? As Rudy Linganay knocks down na 3-pointer, pang-5 na siguro na tres, no? Itong Zamboanga Valientes.
I think that's a first for Rudy Linganay.
Nice feed inside, but good help by Barkley Bonia. That's a foul doon for Barkley. Napakagat siya sa peke na yun. This is 65-49 right now. Barkley Bonia, pangalawang foul na niya dito sa ating ball game. Bedes ball position. Inbound by Hamora. Hanapin itong si Aldous Turculas. Turculas against Barkley Bonia. That's a foul. 2 straight fouls for Barkley. Correction, that's on Mike Dimoses.
First personal foul, Dimoses.
Ngayon, baliktad naman tayo, Coach Kim. 1 minute pa lang, 2 personal or 2 team fouls na for San Beda. For Zamboanga Valientes rather.
Yeah, dalawa na agad yun no?
And a big shot coming from Itule. And malaking shot yun para sa kanya. At ngayon naman, may report tayo coming from Sarah Turkman.
From Zamboanga Valientes, Assistant Coach Joseph, which is the local from Zamboanga, sabi niya must sa mga players put extra effort especially on defense and keep the energy on fire and challenge all those shooters. Sabi niya, diretso lang hanggang dulo dahil focus sila on winning tonight's game at makapagbigay ng magandang laro para sa kanilang mga taga-suporta at sa team ng Zamboanga Valientes. Kim and Nino.
Thank you so much, Sarah. And to the fans of Zamboanga, 3 hours or 4 hours away from Zamboanga, Sibugay. I'm pretty sure marami mga Zamboangueño fans natin na nanunood at sumusuporta for Zamboanga Valientes.
Oo naman. Kahapon nga, di ba? I mean, gabi, wala pa yung Zamboanga Valientes. Punong-puno na tayo dito. Ano pa kaya na andito yung mga local nila? Mga baka may kapitbahay pa sila dito.
As Medroso knocks down another 3-point shot for San Beda. Napatawag tuloy ng timeout. Ito Zamboanga Valientes, back-to-back triple for San Beda, cuts down the lead to 11.
O nga pala partner, para din sa ating mga live viewers, in-announce lang just now na yung game pala dun sa supposedly sa
Kabasalan.
Oo. Ililipat na rin dito na lang din yung venue.
One stop for San Beda, but on the other side, bawi kaagad itong sina Mendy. Linganay, directing traffic for Zamboanga Valientes. Mendy wants it. Nice for that ball. That's a traveling violation. Tinawag kaagad nila si Malik Diouf para pahingahin itong si John Paul Mendy. 7 and 27.
Kasi naka back-to-back turnover siya Although yung first turnover naman, napahawi niya agad yun
Oo.
Yun yung kailangan na mga player yun Alam mo yun, pagka nag-error sila, wala ka ng time na alam mo yun, mag-emote ka pa.
Oo.
Wala na, balik ka na agad, bawiin mo na agad yung pagkakamali na yun.
That shot by Hamora erased by Malik Diouf. The rim protector, Malik Diouf, too strong for the drive. He's asking for some foul. Takbo sina Aldous Turculas. Hamora all day. That's good for 3. It is 66-58. San Beda cutting the lead. Down to a single double digit. Or single digit rather.
Oo, 8 points na lang yan, ha?
I challenge for the one. Challenge. The challenge. Right.
So, Coach Yuri Escueta asking for a challenge dito sa last touch.
8 points.
Coach Paul. Review daw. Hindi yung handa.
It's okay. Nasa meeting po yan sa partner briefing. Basta ako ba yung next pwede ko yan. Thank you po.
Ito nga Coach Kim, no, to clarify, yung kaninang challenge for San Beda, it is not a coach's challenge. So, challenge lang ng our officials if meron bang act of violence sa foul na yon because dumugo nga yung ilong ni Reyes.
Oo, yes. And clarify natin yan kanina na it's not a coach's challenge. Kasi per team, we
Mayroong
have
isa,
one coach's
oo.
challenge lang eh. Parang doesn't matter if it's successful
Successful
or not.
no.
Isang beses lang siya pwede mag-out.
After the thorough overview, according to the official, challenge successful.
So challenge successful for San Beda. So yun nga, nakita natin sa big screen natin. Tumama for Nick DeMoses.
6-27.
Tumama pa sa sapatos ni Coach ni Nick DeMoses no?
Oo, that was a good coach's challenge. Galing dito kay Coach Yuri
So in the
Escueta.
corner, Bonsalida rattles out. An offensive rebound for San Beda this time. Though they don't have the size, coach nga. Yung timing lang talaga.
Timing at saka partner, huwag kong kakalimutan. Yung puso, the heart of the champion. Diba? Kaya pala, balikan natin about dyan sa mga coaches challenge. Diyan din pumapasok yung mga accountability ng isang player. Alam mo yun? Yung gusto ng coach, challenge. Sasabihin mo, hindi coach, wag na coach. Alam kong hindi, alam ko ako outside. Huwag natin sayangin. Or let's just play through eh. Gamitin natin sa mas importante or mas
oo.
sure na ano.
Na challenge.
Oo.
Tsaka sabi nga ni si Hamura talaga yung lumapit kay Coach Anjay and Coach Yuri, no? Na-challenge mo yun. On the other side, Hamura called for a foul against Rudy Linganay.
66.
Linganay against Hamura. 6 and 28. Balik Diouf. Vic Manuel. Denied. But recovered by Bulanadi. That's good for 2. Para kay Aline Bulanadi. 8-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. Pull up. Medroso knocks down another triple. Timely shots for San Beda. Turcules, Hamora in transition. Missed shot, but they have the numbers. And a 5-0 run, Coach Kim.
Oo, grabe. Ang ganda ng defense na pinapakita dito ng San Beda Red Lions. Pero at the same time, si Rudy Linganay naghahanap ng kakampi. Walang nakatingin sa kanya. Hindi niya ma-forward pass. Napipilitan siyang ibigay dito sa kanyang mga big men.
We'll see kung ano yung gagawin ng mga veterano dito. As Malik Diouf has it. Tolomia finds the lane. Malik Diouf. Corner. Shot clock violation. Another stop coming from San Beda. $68-65. Tatlong puntos na lang itong inahabol ng San Beda. The fans and the supporters at yung mga taga-titay dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium tumatayo na po sa kanilang kinauupuan. Another attempt from downtown for San Beda. Wow, Titay. That's a foul for team foul. Correction, second team foul for San Beda.
Grabe ang tira ni Torcules na yun. If pumasok yun, that would have been huge para dito sa San Beda Red Lions. Itong score natin ngayon, 3 na lang yung kalamangan ng Zamboanga Valientes. Yung mga Leon, literal na ginapang nila yung kalamangan na yan para makalapit ng ganito.
Slowly but surely, no? Hindi natin narinig yung kanilang mga yapak. Silent run for San Beda Red Lions. Bulanadi asking for some friend here. Bulanadi nilapit. Bulanadi malakas. Malik Diouf to the rescue. Doon yung put back for Malik Diouf. 70-65. Back to 5-point lead for Zamboanga. Aldos Tortules. 10 seconds to shoot. Medroso with a floater. Miss shot. Rebound secured. Yun lang. Vic Manuel with a chicken wing. Extending his elbow. Pushing away itong si Bonzalida.
Oo, grabe yung rebound yun na yun, no? Pero nga, eto, gustong tingnan natin. Ayun, no?
Yun. May halong gigil din no?
Oo.
For Vic Manuel.
Kasi grabe na rin talaga naman yung takbo ng laro natin, yung pressure ng laro natin. Pero as you can see, hindi magpapatinag ang Zamboanga Valientes. Sanay na sanay sila sa mga itong sitwasyon. Oh, Galiga.
Too strong for Pedroso. Diretso naman sa kamay. Itong si Raton de Coco. Mike Tolomia. Comes Tolomia. Corner. Vic Manuel fires. That's good for Vic Manuel. And we have a timeout for San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Titay. The lead is back to 8. Vic Manuel with a big three-pointer. You're still watching this Dr. Ann K. Hofer Basketball Open Invitational Tournament. Ninyo Abanit po alongside Coach Kim Reyes sa napakagandang bakbakan itong Zamboanga Valientes kontra sa Season 101 ng NCAA Champions San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Titay. It is 65-73 earlier. San Beda able to cut down the lead to 2. But right now, Coach,
yes,
biglang bumalik sa 8.
That's what I mentioned earlier nga, no? What a shot para dito sa San Beda Red Lions.
You know, the Red Lions feeling it tonight. Tolomia saying to Diouf that I'm in front of you.
Sabi, ito ko sa tabi mo.
Kalimag again. So proud to, you know, be amazed with that Kalimag shot. But he is feeling it. Pinunasan ni Coach Yuri yung kamay ni Kalimag. Kasi medyo madulas na, may pawis eh.
At saka, alam natin na that's a green signal eh. Go signal, open, go, keep shooting that.
Oo, for Coach Yuri.
Oo,
Pinunasan
keep
ko
shooting
na.
it. Oo.
Ikaw na bahala dyan.
Kumbaga, pinunasan at binigyan ng shooting powers.
Oo.
Coach Yuri, no?
And I love the rotation of Coach Yuri dito sa ating under 5-minute mark ng ating fourth quarter, Coach.
Oo.
6 to 7 guy lang yung kanyang rotation dito.
Pero mabilis yung balase ng mga
Oo.
tao.
Tolomia, didiskarte dito for Zamboanga Valientes. Two Hearts asking for it. Tolomia fires, misses, and a big rebound for San Beda. Easy steal by Bulanadi. Malik Duke! That's a good foul for Reyes.
Oh, yes. Great foul.
Zamboanga Valientes bench coach, asking for some unsportsmanlike foul. But,
Wala, that's just a regular foul.
Regular
di ba?
foul.
Ano
Duty
magagawa?
foul lang.
Hanggang bewang lang yung Reyes di ba? Tapos, he was really going for the ball. Tumama lang sa kamay, regular foul.
Oo. So, I guess Coach Joseph Romarate will ask for an upgrade or review here if meron bang upgrade. But 3 minutes pa lang, Coach Kim, so no mandatory review here.
Oo, yes. Tama
We
naman.
are under 2 minutes. Yun, pwede siya ng mag-mandatory review.
Pero, di ba, ako, tingin ko, it was just a regular foul for me. Lalo na, ganun ka tangkad yung pinafoul mo, tapos you're going for the ball naman. It was no intention to harm or whatsoever.
Siguro if that was a above the shoulder foul, normally, pwede pa siguro nilang
Pwede,
i-contest,
di ba? Or kung hiniklat ba yung jersey niya na para yun, no question about that. And makikita yan talaga agad ng officials natin. It would not be even needing a review for that matter.
Malik Diouf completes the 2 free throw. Much needed, Coach.
Oo, breather.
Oo. 75-68. Reyes.
Great defense na lang galing dito kay Raton Tigoco.
Mendoza misses that. That's a foul on Kalimag. 5 fouls. So 2 shots.
Yun nga, eto na naman. Penalty na naman.
Vic
Ang
Manuel
San Beda.
pa. Yung final nila dun.
Oo.
2 minutes and 46 by the way. Itong si Vic Manuel, may naaalala tayo dito sa kanyang mga tattoo no?
Oo.
Yung tropa
Actually,
natin. Sino pa ba?
Kuya Bax.
Kuya Bax.
Yan, oo. Which is, naalala ko nga pala, panalo yan sila nung game nila nung last February 15.
Oo.
So, shoutout dyan kay Kuya Vax sa Kuya Vax Fried and Barbecue tsaka sa team nila, which is the Kuya Vax Kapangos Game Farm.
Grabe din yun. Yung mga manok ni Kuya Bax.
Oh, all the way yan from Cebu. Nanonood
Cebu,
siya.
oo. From
Dito
Cebu
sa
pala.
game, yes.
Tsaka sa mga, mga kapangos niya dyan sa
Kapangos,
Bourbon,
oo.
Cebu.
Yes.
Shoutout to you, Kuya Bax. It is 77-68. Vic Manuel. Nakuhaan dun. 4 seconds. Pass inside. Good stop by Zamboanga Valientes. 2 minutes and change. Bulanadi scanning the floor. Double team. Bulanadi. That's a foul. Against Kalimag. That's a foul on Mike Tolomia. Ay, kaunting gulang doon for Mike Tolomia. Nakita niya, Kalimag was, in the air na, to stop that long pass coming from Alin Bulanadi.
Pero tinanggap niya naman. Sinabi niya actually.
I admit it.
Hindi niya ibulan foul talaga. Sabi niya.
Ganda ng posisyon ni ano din no? Ni Kalimag doon.
Oo.
2-12. Here comes Sanbeda. Ituli spins. Pumihit.
Ganda naman.
Pinabanda pa. 7-point lead for the Valientes. Under 2 minutes.
Eto na tayo.
Denver Cadiz scans the floor. Tolomia goes in and out. Kick out. Vic Manuel fires. Knocks down the three-pointer.
What a shot para dito sa Muscle Man.
Right on cue for Muscle Man Vic Manuel. Sanbeda. Hindi na pumapasok yung kanila mga bitaw kanina, coach.
Oo. Sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? Just in time na lumalapit na yung Sanbeda, palaging meron pa rin sagot itong Zamboanga Valientes. At minsan may pasobra pa nga ng mga points yan.
Shot clock winding down. Kick out. Vic Manuel leads to 5. Long 2. Miss. Rebound by the smallest guy. Denver Cadiz.
You can see the leadership and experience dito ni Mike Tolomea, no? Sinasabi niya ito si Cadiz na wag mo na natin, mamaya na, ubusin mo natin, pababay natin yung shot clock before we take the attempt.
Asalin Bulanadi. Misses that layup. Out of bounds for the Valientes. May timeout naman na tinawag si Coach Yuri Iscueta. At the Rainbow territory, he's Muscle Man, but adjusting his, play here with Malik Diouf, nakasabay na inside the floor. Coach Yuri Iscueta naman, napatawag na timeout dito. Back to the drawing board for Sanbeda. They have the, chance earlier to get the lead against Zamboanga Valientes. But Zamboanga, hindi naman pumayag doon, no? Na makuha ng Sanbeda yung kalamangan.
Oo. Lumapit, pero hindi mo nakita nag-crumble down sa pressure itong Zamboanga Valientes.
Hamora goes to Torculas. Kalimag fires, miss shot. Rebound Malik.
Ratante ko na naman. Yung nakapulot ng bola na yan.
Bilis ng reaction no? That's a cabinet.
A traveling violation. 39.1 seconds. Substitution.
Barkley Bonia checks back here.
Well-deserved rest para sa muscle man natin.
.37 seconds. Hamora. Itulie. And that's a big shot for Itule. May wet spot tayo dito. 34 seconds.
Ito yung kick out kay Itulio. Was that Itulio?
Yeah, Itule.
34 seconds remaining in the final quarter. 80-73. Having committed si Pedrosa.
Zamboanga Valientes with a 7-point lead. Another wet spot here at nadulas itong si Hamora.
Ito yung magandang nakikita natin sa basketball scene, 'di ba? Parang aside din sa mga lagi nakikita natin ng mga violence, 'di ba? Etong mga ganito na gestures. Si Malik Diouf nakita niya nadulas yung player ng San Beda, you really told the refs and everyone to stop muna, wait
Oo.
lang. Papunasan natin, madulas eh.
Tsaka yung pumunas, si Nick
Diba?
Dimoses.
Ano?
Si Nick Dimoses yung
Sinik to,
pumunas.
oo. Siya yung pumuna, gamit niya yung bimpo niya, pinapunas niya.
Tapos binigay niya sa kanyang katabi.
34 seconds.
May gitgitan dito between
Oo.
Diouf and Medroso and Kalimag naman, his former teammate. Pumagit na kagad dito. I mean, former teammate of Malik Diouf.
34 seconds left.
Partida yan, hindi pa nai-inbound yung bola. Ha?
Oo.
Hindi pa nabibigay ng referee. Ha?
Pasensya na lang, bigay ko lang kay Talo ng isa sa English.
80 to 73. 34 seconds. Here comes the high IQ inbound again by Alin Bulanadi against the full court press nito San Beda. Last touch for Medroso.
Kasali siguro sa practice routine nila yan. Walang beses yung ginawa eh. Usually, isang beses ko lang nakikita yan sa mga basketball game eh, no?
Pero dalawang beses din
Dalawang beses.
nakita.
And from the same player.
Dalawang beses din nakita ni Alin Bulanadi yung opportunity to bounce it off to his opponent's back, eh, no? Malik Diouf. That's a foul on Medroso.
Number 55.
Malik Diouf. Challenge nila sa free throw line.
Oo, balik na naman siya sa free throw line.
The former UP Fighting Maroons won a championship for their Maroon community. Oh, nice block. Nice stop by Vic Manuel. Medrosa fires. That's good for 3. Back to 5-point lead. It is still not finished, Coach Kim.
Oo, napaganda pa yung na-block shot eh, di ba? No? Tingnan natin ulit yan. Medroso.
The presence of mind. Itong teammate din ni Medrosa to swing it to the open teammate. At hanapin nga itong si Medrosa na libreng-libre. Because of that transition defense din sa Zamboanga Valientes, nahuli sila doon. So we have a timeout. 81-76.
Ang power of 1-1 para sa Zamboanga Valientes. At saka si Pablo Mayor sa Dalite. Yan, ganito po sa inyo dyan, sir. 20 seconds left. Siyempre, Tite, ayaw naman tatalo yan. Pumasok po sa Tite yan. Tite, kumusta kayo yan?
Back to the ball game. It is Zamboanga Valientes with a inbound here. They go to Malik Diouf. Foul on Hamora.
Balik na naman. Malik Diouf sa
Diouf,
free throw line.
oo.
Siya nga pala, partner, gusto ko lang pala batiin yung natin, team ng Pinamungahan National High School. Bungas basketball team kasi provincial, yung tawag, provincial meet na
oo.
yan.
Sa Cebu Province.
Oo, Cebu Province for their achievements. Congratulations.
Oo.
Tsaka dyan sa ever supportive and my good friend, Attorney Marvin Mirales.
Congratulations, team. Pinamungahan. Malik Diouf. Dalawang mintes. Sino nga hanapin? Torculas. Aldous. Short. Rebound. Andito pa rin sa Beda. Hamora. Fars. Rebound by Tolomia. And a foul given by Itule. Season 101 for a reason. No? Itong San Beda Red Lions. Wow, Titay. But this time, another player for Zamboanga Valientes. Do we feel the free throw line? First one for Mike Tolomia. Former Meralco Bolts. FEU tama na. Nag-champion din with Macbelo, Barkley, Bonia. Medrosa, corner. Three-pointer, miss shot. We'll have a review if that one counts. So we'll have a review if that one counts.
Napaka-importante po ang mga points dito sa ating liga nito.
Wala na.
Ako ng tawel, Lutesan Mayab. Babalaatan ng time. Ang sabi ka mo? After the review, what happened?
Basket not count
Yeah.
for San Beda.
Pero that was really close, ha? That was really close.
Oh, that was really close. Exactly zero talaga. So we will wait for our best player of the game.
Sana namang magandang game ang binigay sa atin ang dalawang kupunan na ito. Pero at the end of the day, ang panalo pa rin ay ang ating Zamboanga Valientes. Pero hindi pa rin natin pwedeng ipagkaila na napakaganda ng ginawa ng team ng San Beda Red Lions since the start of the game until the very end. So congratulations to both teams. Tingnan natin si Sara para sa ating best player of the game.
And we're here with our best player of the game from Zamboanga Valientes, Vic Manuel. Vic, sabi nga ni Coach RJ kanina, naging preparations nyo is yung international tournament nyo for this tournament. Paano nyo naging consistent, nagawang consistent itong game na to at saan nagagaling yung lakas at galing mo ngayong gabi?
Siguro ano lang, sa familiarity na lang ng team. Kasi nagkasama kami sa Dubai. Tapos kahapon, once na kami nag-practice. Tapos ngayon, laro na, di ba? So yun, saka yung time na nagrarally na yung San Beda, siyempre kailangan compose lang. Lahat naman kami sa team, veterano na. So yun, nagawa naman namin yung dapat namin gawin.
Vic, baka may gusto kang batian at pasalamatan sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Zamboanga Valientes?
Unang-una, shoutout sa family ko, sa wife ko, kay Annalyn, saka sa tatlong anak ko, kay Kesha, kay Queen, and kay Tini. Yan, supportahan nila ako hanggang dito mula sa Manila. Saka yan, sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Zamboanga, supportahan nyo pa kami sa mga dating namin games. Yan, thank you guys.
Maraming salamat. Back to you, Kim and Lito.